Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change font in Editor X. So there are actually a few ways how we can do it. The first way, when you're gonna add an element and you're gonna click your text and you would add a title, you can simply edit the text right here and just change the font that you got, right? So this is the first way how we can do it. The second way is when you're gonna a theme manager and you can like change the typography right here. And you can change the general fonts for everything, right? For heading 2. Then like if I can see that this is the text and there's like this one, I think. I don't know. Yep, that's this. So this is pretty much it, how we can change font in Editor X. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.